And welcome back. Well, as you can see by the sign here, we're in Ellisville today. This is about 11 a.m. near Jones College. Plenty of blue sky, just an overall gorgeous day, except for temperatures still about 5 degrees above average. Yeah, it wasn't too great outside of those heat index values above 100 degrees. We topped out here in Hattiesburg at 94. 71 was this morning's low. So you can see the good news is we're not near any records right now, and our 7-day forecast, we've actually lowered a few of the temperatures over the weekend. I think you'll enjoy that a little bit. Still, temperature's going to be hot though. Tonight's forecast, 73 degrees, clear skies. Winds will be pretty calm out of the northwest, right around 5 miles per hour for your Saturday. Notice on our map, all you are seeing is orange and the word hot. And we never like to see that. Of course, we're still in summer, not quite done with it just yet. Summer's trying to kind of move back into our calendar for at least the next week or so. So just expect hot conditions overall over the next 7 days or so. Yeah, we're not going to get rid of them anytime soon. Highs for tomorrow will be in the upper 90s. Winds still out of the northwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Maybe a few clouds. That's really not going to help out our temperatures too much. And unfortunately, our heat index values are going to be up there once again between 105 to 110 degrees. And because of that, we do have a heat advisory for all of our viewing area all the way down to the Gulf Coast. Covers about the southern half of Mississippi right now. So, of course, we expect, again, heat index values between 105 to 110 degrees. Some places could creep higher than that. So it's important. Several things are important. That you stay hydrated. That's one. If you don't have to be outside, don't. And if you are going to be outside, take frequent breaks. Find some shade, as well as know the signs for any heat illnesses, because unfortunately, we're probably going to be dealing with some of that tomorrow. And 911 will probably get many calls on that. Things like confusion, when you stop sweating if you're outside, that's a very important one. And just all the signs of heat stroke and any related heat illnesses you might accompany with those, because it's going to be a hot day nonetheless outside. So one good news is, again, we're not seeing any rain on our radar. I know some places still have their gardens open. Some people do. They want a little bit of rain. Unfortunately, rain's not looking likely right now in our forecast. We do have a few slight chances on it, but nothing really accumulation-wise. These will be those very, very quick showers that go up and rain themselves out very quickly. Why is all this happening? Now, we still have a high pressure out to our west. You can kind of make it out again when you have a high pressure. Most of the time you see a ridge, basically just a hill. And you notice how these clouds kind of go up and over. High pressure sitting out near the Four Corners region. We're on the eastern side of that. And unfortunately, it's just only going to move on in. That's why we're expecting even hotter temperatures going on throughout your weekend. So yeah, that's not great overall until early next week as well. We'll still have that ridge sitting right over us, high pressure. And that's why you don't see really any shower chances for about the southern half of the U.S. right now. Of course, that's including us, so just expect it to be very, very warm overall. So your forecast brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Here we go again. Right now, we've kept it below 100 degrees. Yesterday, remember, it was 102, so we've gained a little ground on it now. Still going to be hot overall. The red numbers throughout your weekend. A few more clouds for your Monday. A slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms, about a 30 to a 40% chance. Those will be very, very quick. Temperatures cooling off a few degrees, still about 5-10 degrees above average throughout next week, until we get into next weekend, where some signs are pointing to some lower 90s.